Hi everyone, my name is Yvonne Polito and this is my Teach Us project on how to make green tomato salsa. The ingredients we will be using are 60 small green tomatoes or tomatillos, half a tablespoon of salt, 15 chiles de árbol or chili peppers, and 1 garlic clove. What we're using is 1 boiling water pot, a blender, and a straining spoon. The first thing we need to do is peel and wash our green tomatoes and wash and rinse them 3 times. Then we will put them on the stove top and boil them for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are soft and transparent, just like in this picture. Afterwards, please let the tomatillos cool down. Once we place tomatillos in the blender, we will add our salt, our chiles de árbol or red chilies, and our clove of garlic. We will also add 1/3 of the tomatillo water from the pot into the blender. Ingredients are inside the blender. We will close the lid and blend all ingredients until it is in a liquid form. Blended our salsa, we will place it into a glass container such as a mason jar or an empty washed tomatoes pasta sauce container such as prego or ragu. Then you will let the salsa cool down and then refrigerate the next day.